As more Clermont homeowners look for ways to live sustainably, eco-friendly home upgrades are becoming increasingly popular. From energy-efficient windows to smart thermostats, small changes can add up to significant benefits for the environment and your wallet. One often overlooked upgrade is your doors. Choosing eco-friendly door installation options can enhance your home's comfort, reduce energy bills, and support a greener future. Why eco-friendly doors matter? Doors are more than just an entry point. They play a major role in your home's insulation, energy efficiency, and overall environmental footprint. Old or poorly installed doors often leak air, letting cool air out during Clermont's hot summers and allowing drafts in during the cooler months. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy use and monthly utility costs. Eco-friendly doors are designed to combat these issues. Built with sustainable materials and advanced insulating technology, they minimize energy loss while reducing environmental impact. Top eco-friendly door options for Clermont homes. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are a great choice for Clermont's warm, humid climate. They resist warping and rotting, which means they last longer than traditional wooden doors. Most importantly, they have insulated cores that keep indoor air at a stable temperature, reducing the need for extra cooling or heating. Benefits: durable, low maintenance, highly energy efficient. Eco-friendly factor: long lifespan reduces waste, and many are made with recyclable materials. Steel doors with insulated core. Steel doors are another sustainable option. They're incredibly strong, providing both security and efficiency. When paired with polyurethane foam insulation, they create a tight seal that minimizes heat transfer. Benefits: excellent security, energy savings, affordable. Eco-friendly factor: steel is recyclable, making these doors an environmentally responsible choice. Sustainably sourced wood doors. For homeowners who prefer the timeless beauty of natural wood, eco-friendly wood doors made from sustainably harvested timber are available. These doors often include insulation layers to improve energy efficiency. Benefits: classic look, customizable designs. Eco-friendly factor: responsibly harvested wood minimizes deforestation impact. Energy-efficient glass doors. Many Clermont homes feature sliding patio or French doors. By choosing models with double or triple pane low emissivity glass, you can enjoy natural light while keeping indoor temperatures steady. Benefits: beautiful design, improved insulation, more natural light indoors. Eco-friendly factor: reduced reliance on artificial lighting saves energy. The importance of professional installation. Even the most eco-friendly door won't deliver its full benefits if it isn't installed properly. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can let air leak through, defeating the purpose of an energy-efficient door. Professional installation ensures your new door is fitted correctly, sealed tightly, and ready to deliver maximum performance. Local installers in Clermont also understand the unique challenges of the area's climate, humidity, storms, and heat, and can recommend the best eco-friendly solutions tailored to your home. Additional eco-friendly benefits: lower utility bills. By keeping conditioned air inside, eco-friendly doors help reduce monthly energy costs. Improved comfort. No more drafts or uneven room temperatures, just a consistently comfortable home. Environmental impact. By reducing energy consumption, you're lowering your household's carbon footprint. Resale value. Buyers are increasingly attracted to homes with sustainable upgrades, boosting your property's appeal. Final thoughts: eco-friendly door installation is a smart investment for Clermont homeowners who want to combine comfort, savings, and sustainability. Whether you choose fiberglass, steel, sustainably sourced wood, or energy-efficient glass doors, each option contributes to a greener lifestyle while enhancing your home's beauty and performance. With professional installation, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing your doors are optimized for efficiency and durability. By making the switch, you're not only improving your home, you're also making a positive impact on the environment for years to come.